Hi! Welcome back to our Learn Abacus at Home series. I'm so excited about today's lesson because we're diving into a brand new concept, the 10 complement pairs. In our previous lessons, we mastered the 5 complement pairs, learning when and how to use them for addition and subtraction. I'm confident you've become comfortable applying the 5 complement method. Now, we're taking it a step further. The 10 complement pairs are essential for solving both addition and subtraction problems on the abacus, especially when carrying over or borrowing comes into play. For this lesson, we'll focus on addition using the 10 complement pairs. I'll explain when and why they're needed and guide you through some examples to see them in action. Let's get started. Let's try addition, 4 plus 7 together. We add 4 on the abacus. Now, we want to add 7 to it, but there's no room for adding 7 in the ones column. In such a case, we need to carry over to the next digit. How do we do it? When we carry over to the next digit, we add 10, which means we've added too much and need to subtract the excess. The excess can be calculated as 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Here's where the 10 complement pairs come in handy. In this problem, 7's complement pair is 3. Instead of manually calculating the excess, you can simply subtract the pair, 3, from the ones column. This method makes the process quicker and smoother, especially when solving more complex problems. Now, let me show you how we subtract the complement pair. Once you know the complement pair, you subtract it in the appropriate column in this problem, in the ones column. After subtracting the complement, we carry 1 over to the next column, which is the tens column. This step completes the addition process while ensuring that the abacus reflects the correct total. Let's try one more similar problem, 9 plus 2. First, we add 9 on the abacus. Now, we want to add 2, but there are no beads left to add in the ones column. In this case, we need to carry over to the next digit. First, identify the complement pair of 2, which is 8. This represents the excess that needs to be subtracted. So, we subtract 8 in the ones column and then carry 1 over to the tens column. The answer is 11. Now, you may wonder how we solve multi-digit addition that requires carrying over. Well, the process is exactly the same as what we've done in the ones column. First, identify the complement pair as the excess, subtract that excess, and then carry 1 over to the next digit. The key is to start with the higher digit column and repeat this process as you move to the lower digits. Let's try a multi-digit addition problem that requires carrying over, 99 plus 11. First, we add 99 on the abacus. The next number, 11, is a 2-digit number. For multi-digit problems on the abacus, we always start with the higher digit, so we begin by adding 10. In the tens column, there are already 9 beads, leaving no room to add 1. In this case, we carry over 1 to the next column, which is the hundreds column, using the complement pair. The complement pair for 1 is 9, so we subtract 9 in the tens column and then carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Next, we move to the ones column to add 1. Again, there are already 9 beads, so there's no room to add. We use the same approach, subtract the complement pair 9 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Thus, 99 plus 11 is equal to 110. Good work! Like the 5 complement pairs, the 10 complement pairs work together to make calculations smoother. These pairs, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Add up to 10 and enhance efficiency in abacus calculations. Please visit my Abacus tutorial website to download Workbook 6. It contains 80 addition problems that require carrying over. This workbook focuses on single-digit addition, where some problems involve using both the 5 complement and 10 complement pairs. For example, consider 6 plus 7. Since there's no room to add 7 in the ones column, we carry over to the next digit using the 10 complement pair, which is 3. To subtract 3, you'll need to use the 5 complement pair because the lower beads in the ones column cannot subtract 3 directly. I've noticed that young children often find these types of problems confusing. Regular practice is key to helping them feel comfortable and confident with these calculations. Encourage them to work through as many problems as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe now so you'll be notified whenever a new video is released. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.